Welcome to our comparison video, where we take a closer look at two powerful graphics cards. The ASUS Dual GeForce RTX 4070 Super EVO OC Edition and the PowerColor Reaper AMD Radeon RX 9070 XT. Both cards are designed for gamers and professionals alike, but they come with different specifications and features that cater to various needs. Let's explore what each card has to offer, starting with their specifications. Let's start with the specifications of both graphics cards. The ASUS Dual GeForce RTX 4070 Super EVO OC Edition features 12 GB of GDDR6X memory with a 192-bit memory interface and a boost clock speed of 2,550 MHz. In contrast, the PowerColor Reaper AMD Radeon RX 9070 XT boasts a larger 16 GB GDDR6 memory with a 256-bit memory interface and a slightly lower boost clock of 2,400 MHz. This difference in memory and interface could impact performance in memory-intensive applications. When it comes to performance features, the ASUS card supports NVIDIA's DLSS 3 technology, which enhances frame rates and overall gaming performance. On the other hand, the PowerColor card supports the latest DisplayPort 2.1, allowing for higher resolutions and refresh rates. Both features are significant for gamers looking for the best performance in their gaming setups. In terms of pros and cons, the ASUS Dual GeForce RTX 4070 Super EVO OC Edition has a high boost clock and features an efficient axial tech fan design for cooling. However, it has a smaller memory capacity compared to the PowerColor model. Conversely, the PowerColor Reaper AMD Radeon RX 9070 XT offers a larger memory capacity, which is beneficial for high-resolution gaming, but it may consume more power. Understanding these pros and cons can help you decide which card fits your needs better. In conclusion, both the ASUS Dual GeForce RTX 4070 Super EVO OC Edition and the PowerColor Reaper AMD Radeon RX 9070 XT have their strengths and weaknesses. Depending on your gaming needs and preferences, one may be more suitable than the other. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth comparisons.